Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine. And in today's video I'll be showing you how to get gold cards in Roll Match. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. So the first thing that you need to do is participate in special events. Gold cards are often available as rewards in limited time events like team battles or popular madness. Completing these events or reaching specific milestones within them can give you a chance to earn gold cards. Number 2. Complete high level stages. Higher levels and more difficult stages tend to reward you with better prizes including gold cards. Prioritizing finishing super hard or special levels as they sometimes drop these rare cards. Number 3. Open special chest. World Match includes various types of chests like star chests and legendary chests that can contain gold cards. Collect stars by completing levels which allow you to open more chests. Also check for duplicate cards. As you accumulate duplicate cards, they contribute stars which can eventually open special chests that might contain gold cards. Number 4. Participate in the Royal League. If you completed all available levels, you can join the Royal League where you can compete for counts. Ranking high in the Royal League often give access to better rewards including the chance for gold cards. Number 5. Check for social media or in-game promotions. Sometimes Royal Match developers release promotions, contests or events on social media that reward rare items including gold cards. Following official channels can help you stay informed about these opportunities. So that's basically what you can do, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if you did, comment down below what the next video should be on, consider subbing to the channel. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.